Alright, check this out, party people. This is our domestic relations building. It's like huge, it's unbelievable. But as I was looking at this building, there's a figurines on here of birds. And you see that? That's an owl, okay? See that? That's an owl. There's birds on this one. Here's another one over here. That kind of looks like an eagle, right? Maybe an eagle. Okay? And you come over here. And then you got another type of bird here. Okay? See that? See that bird? And then you have this bird here. Okay? These are birds, people. Alright? That's some kind of bird. I think that's a crow. I think. It looks like a crow. And then this is a pelican right here. Check it out. So if that's a pelican, and then you come over here, and then you have this first bird. I don't want to show you that one yet. This is a bird. So if they put all these birds in this building, and they were real, so I guess this bird is real. Kind of looks like a other kind of bird, like a dragon. Or this one's a dragon, one of the two. Or that's a dragon. I don't know which one. I thought that was interesting. I'll show you. Peace.